previous years, I always found myself traveling to a different country during fall season. And living in a tropical country, we only have rainy and sunny days. And so I was happy to see even just a glimpse of this beautiful, warm and cozy season during my trips. I miss traveling, and so I thought, what if I applied the fall color palette to my loose watercolor florals? Hi, my name is Johnny and I'm a watercolor artist and a proud mom of a 1-year-old. I rediscovered watercolor in 2013 and have been painting since then. I specialize in painting loose watercolor florals. People know me more for sharing my work on Instagram. In previous years, I have been invited to do watercolor demos in big art events. I have taught in malls, art stores, and cafes. I'm also an online art educator and have been able to share my craft to thousands of students internationally. I make sure that my approach to teaching is suitable for both beginners and experienced painters alike. First and foremost, we will be discussing the materials that we need. Next, I will teach you how to mix fall-inspired colors that you can apply to your painting. Then we will paint individual autumn elements such as leaves and flowers using the colors that we have just learned how to mix. After covering those, we can now move on to creating 7 different projects. Be ready to fall in love with autumn-inspired florals.